jati ukir.
Hello guys, I would like to explain about the product. The material of this product is using the thick wood. I think most of people know about thick wood, and it will make kaligraf ayat kursi. So I think most of people understand. I mean, for the Muslim, know the ayat kursi. We can read here part of here, although this not it has been not finished yet, but it's okay. You can read here. يعلم بين أيدينا خلقهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء. So all not finished, but it's okay. This is already made, although I mean just a quarter of this product. That's okay, but it can look be nice. So I think everybody can see, and if you are interested, you can call us. Thank you.